Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen. I had a fun idea for keychains. So check this out. This is going to be the super easiest thing ever. And so maybe you guys already had this idea or know about this, but I just actually thought of it. And so I thought, oh, I'm going to turn the camera on and I'm going to pay this idea forward and share this with everybody. This is the simplest thing ever. And I thought, oh my gosh, these make fantastic gifts for the holiday season. Super, super simple. So we're going to make a keychain dangle. And you guys, you don't even hardly need any supplies for this. You simply need some scissors or some cutters to cut your thread. And I have here some clear. You can get either like, Stretch Magic brand or crystalline or any kind of stretch elastic or stretch cord. I cut a 12-inch piece. And so get yourself a 12-inch piece of stretch cord and then pre-stretch it. I have a toggle, a 360 little, it's like, I don't know, it's like it goes around 360. It's like a 360 degree little latch. And it has a clip on it. And it comes with the key ring attachment. And then I'm going to use a beading needle, a flexible beading needle. And then I have this cute little cat charm. Isn't that cute? Look how cute this is. It's kind of like a white with gold embossing, but it's just too cute. And so it's a little cat, like a charm. And I have 4 6mm beads and 3 4mm beads. And these are almost as small as an 8/0 seed bead. That's it. That's all we need. So let me show you how to do this if you don't know how to do this already. This is a great idea. I think you guys are going to really thank me for this one. So you're going to fold your stretch material in half. And taking the top loop, feed it through the bottom of the swivel clasp. And then put your fingers through it at the top here. And then holding the tail, feed it through the center. And then let it come through just like that. And so it grabs onto the swivel. And then I'm going to grab my beading needle, my little flexible needle here, and I'm going to feed my stretch through that and push it down to where my needle holds it to feed my beads. And then I'm just going to feed my beads on. So I'm going to I only have 7 beads here. So I'm just going to go every other, the 6mm and then the 4mm. And I'm just feeding them on. And then you can just pull them down as you go. This is such a cute idea. You guys, I hope you like this. And I actually have several ideas for key rings and purse dangles in this gift giving season. So I'm going to put a couple of different videos up. I have several ideas in mind for some different styles and bookmarks and stuff like that. But all similar to jewelry technique, right? So this is a similar technique, just like we would be making a stretch bracelet, right? So I think it is allowed to be in the jewelry making category. Okay, so look, I just fed all that on. Super easy. Take off your beading needle. And then this is what you have. Okay, how cute is this, right? And now what we're going to do is we're just going to tie the triple knot like we do in the stretch bracelets on the bottom here. So I tie a regular knot, and then on the other side I take the other tail and I fold it under, and let me pull it together and show you. So you see there you have, I know it's hard to see maybe because it's clear, but you have a triple knot. And then you're going to go ahead and pull it. Now be mindful that the last bead that you're using on this particular technique I'm telling you right now to make this one, we're going to make sure that we have a small hole bead. So we don't want like a really large, like I'll grab another bead. Like we don't want a large hole bead. That's a totally different technique that I already figured out, but I'll post the other video about it. So I'm going to make another triple knot. And I'm going to do that several times. I'm going to pull snugly, so to make it nice and tight. So I'm just making a regular knot, and on the tail on the other side, I pull it around the front and through the back, and that makes that triple knot. See there how that's a triple knot? Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to pull, and that's 3. And then I'm going to do it 2 more times. So I'm going to go back to my 5-knot rule, like I explained on my stretch bracelet tutorials, on doing the 5-knot rule with triple knots. So now I'm doing my last knot. So there's 1, and grab the tail on the other side, push it through the back, pull it, and that's my 5th triple knot, nice and tight, and I don't think it's going to come apart. And then go ahead and trim it, leave a little bit at the end, and voila, we're done. Look at this, you guys. Is this the cutest thing? I mean, come on. How cute is that for gift giving? And then it comes with the key ring. So you can just clip the key ring, if you're going to give it as a gift, on your swivel clasp. And now they can attach their keys on the key ring. Then they've got this cute little dangle. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'll be posting some more of a couple of different ways to make these cute little keychains in several different styles. Anyway, hope you guys liked that. Hit subscribe and like and share if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you again soon.